everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Missy, and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. If you're part of the family, thank you for coming back. Today is another part of this series called Mail Call Monday, where I show you guys everything that I've gotten free in the mail. I know it's been a while since I've done this, but it's been like 3 or 4 weeks, and I wanted to do it. Was aiming for every other week, but my birthday was last week and then Mother's Day, and so I did take a little time off of YouTube and I didn't film or anything. So here I am. I'm back on track. I've got a lot of stuff to share with you. Now, like I've said before, down below I will have links to as many of the things in here. I think this time I can link everything. This time I can link the places that I received all of these free things from. So we're just gonna hop right in and grab the first things that's right here. This was something that was in my last Mail Call Monday. Apparently I got another La Mer sample, and it is the concentrate. I have not even used the other one. If you remember, I told you when I did when I went into Tri-Spree, I went through and I clicked the view offer and filled out the paperwork, and then went back, and if it had not already said Tri-Spree, I redid it. So I don't, maybe that's why I got another sample of it. I don't know, but I got 2, so I'm happy about that. Who doesn't want 2 free samples of La Mer? Like, I was so excited when I received this. So that was from Tri-Spree, which I can't even get that in the box, which I always try to keep Tri-Spree linked down below. Next, we're going to go into, this is samplesource.com. This is a new one I just started doing. Again, this will be linked down below. And a lot of these are open because I wasn't expecting them. I kind of, this one has a lot of stuff in it. Okay, so we dump everything out. I think this was in a mailer as well. We've gotten a bag of Idaho Spuds Veggie Mash. These are cauliflower mashed potatoes with cauliflower, butter, and herbs. Now, I don't actually cook prepackaged food like this, but I might give it a try to see if my kids will eat it. I don't know. But we don't like do instant mashed potatoes. Like, mashed potatoes are so easy. It looks like there's a coupon. So this was dumped all over the box. The box was wet and I had to take everything out and clean it off because this was everywhere. This is cold pressed oil body wash and coconut oil, hydrate skin. It smells like, that smells really good. It's like a coconutty smell. And then there's also a coupon. So it says, unbox your naturally beautiful hair and skin. Discover Nature Box beauty products. And this is just the body wash. Okay, so there's that. I also got Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner, a sample of that. This is apparently a vaginal dryness cream. I didn't pick the samples. That's funny. And then there is a free sample. Oh, I can go get a free sample of toddler goat milk. I didn't even know this was in here. So awesome. I will definitely do that. If you may know, I have a 10-month-old and a 2-year-old and a 5-year-old, so I can definitely try some goat's milk. I mean, or donate it to a family for sure. So that was from samplesource.com. Again, that will be linked down below. And that website, what you do is you set up a profile, and then they will send you notifications when there is samples available. Next is my favorite, Pinch Me. PinchMe.com is a website. It's a survey website. You can fill out surveys, but they also do sample boxes. They actually, Sample Tuesday is tomorrow, so if you have a Pinch Me account, be sure to log on. I think it's 9 a.m. Eastern, no, 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to get your samples from PinchMe.com. This was a good month. This was last month, and this was a great one for me because I got Beech Nut organic baby food and bananas, blueberries, avocados, and then the Beech Nut yogurt melt. I have a 10-month-old, so I was super stoked when I got these things. That was awesome. What else? And they always send this HelloFresh gift card, 60, it's not even a gift card. It's like $20 off your first 3 boxes. There's the code right there if anybody is interested in using it. Next I have, this is the kit, and this is similar to the SampleSource.com. So in here I received, what did I receive? I don't even know what's in here. Oh, I do know. Okay. I received a seasoning pack. So this is, I got the spicy garlic. I know I chose this sample, but I don't think I realized it was spicy because I don't like spicy stuff. I do, but I get heartburn. I have really bad heartburn. So the next I got was the Calendula body lotion. This is a baby lotion for my baby. And I also did get, and it comes with a sample and explaining some of their products that they offer. Also in here was the Monostat chafing cream, and it's a cream you put on like your thighs if you have chafing, and that's actually something that me and my husband, I don't, but my husband works in constructions and we live in Southeast Louisiana, so he's outside in the heat and he gets chafing in between his legs and it burns and it rips, and so he actually, that's a product he uses already, so we had a free sample, so I actually gave it to him because it's been really hot out, so he needed it. So since we didn't have any on hand, we didn't expect it to be so hot so quick, he needed it and he has that already. He took that to work. This was something, and this just came in, and this was another Tri-Spree product. So I got this link from Tri-Spree, and it's Start Visibly Healing Severe Damaged Hair with a Nexus free sample. You know what? I take that back. This was on Instagram. I believe this was an Instagram one. Either way, I will leave the link to it because I do know where I got this from. So they just sent me 2 little foil packs of their Carafix Damage Healing System. So this month, for free, I got a La Mer shampoo conditioner, baby food, seasoning pack, baby lotion, and a cream, floor cleaner, body wash, vaginal itch cream, I guess if my vag starts itching, a goat milk sample or free goat's milk, a free Idaho potatoes. Oh, and I also got in my Pinch Me box a coupon for a free salad dressing, which is in my coupon box because I love coupons and I love free stuff. So you guys, that's everything. Oh no, there's one more thing. Hold on.